Hey there. So, let's talk about a common problem that many people face when working with Gzipped files. You have some files that you want to transfer to a remote server and extract them directly onto the target drive. The tricky part here is that the file is already compressed, so you don't need to use the usual gzip compression during the transfer. How can we tackle this problem efficiently? In this scenario, the solution lies in simplifying the process. No need for an extra command like load some file. Instead, let's make SSH itself read the file directly by redirecting its input. By using driveimage.tar.gzssh, we can seamlessly transfer the Gzipped file to the remote server and extract it onto the target drive. This approach streamlines the process and eliminates unnecessary steps. Simple yet effective, right? To wrap it all up, we found a straightforward solution to efficiently transfer and extract Gzipped files onto a remote server. By leveraging SSH's ability to read the file directly, we can streamline the process without the need for additional commands like load some file. Remember, keeping it simple is the key to smooth operations in the tech world. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding